Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little package from Clear Jelly Stamper and I'm real excited for it, not gonna lie. Let's see, should have done this before the video. Let me get my nails all up in there. Okay. These are always the best packages when they're like fully labeled out and just everything, and you're like, it just looks so good. Okay, so let's take a peek. Do I have my invoice on here? Or is it down below? No. I think I'm good. Okay. So this is what I got. I'm gonna zoom in. So I got a replacement head for the big bling because when I first got this bad boy, wherever he is, let's see, is he in here? No, he's up here. Somewhere. He's here. I don't know where I put him. I was using alcohol to clean it, or like remover, and it got cloudy. So I have one good one, and then I have now a new one, which I'm real happy about because I love these guys so much. So I always wanted a clean one. I'm assuming that's a hard candy. And then again from Clear Jelly Stamper, we'll start off with this guy. So this one is super cute. So this one is a flower one, and I like that they had some really big ones here. I'm going to be using a couple of these plates in a tutorial coming up. I'm about to redo my nails probably this week sometime. And this one is, yeah. Is it on the plate? Yeah. 66. So if that's what you're looking for, it is 66. And then this was their new one from last year. This was the Make Your Own Plaid, and this is 56. And it sold out last year before I could get it. And so I picked it up this time because I was already making order for my other plates. So I'm really excited about this guy. You'll definitely see him come out in Christmas time, but also if I need to do some solid lines, I could just be lazy and, you know, straight line, just do it. And then I got, oh yeah, I forgot they have like patterns on the back to show you. And then this next one, I'm gonna hold it sideways, is 92. And this is another flower one. Since we're kind of in summertime, I was definitely feeling a flower manicure, as you can tell. I'm really excited for this one. It's just so pretty. Some of the swirls in here I think will be great. And then they definitely give you a bunch of different ways you can do this. If you want like a full flower, and then you can stack, like literally make it all. And then this is the back. So you can see, like, that was the build one. That was the other one. Really pretty. I have some of these in a different plate, but they're not quite like this. And last but not least, we are at 104. And this one is your bigger flower plate. So they're just slightly larger. Like the sunflowers, I'm totally feeling. I'm just obsessed. And I like that some of these are like half broken, so you can see that they're like just half in general. I really like that. And all the scratches are on the packaging, not the actual plate. The blue is the protective. And then this is the back. So that was just a quick little haul. I didn't get much. I don't really get much at a time from Clear Jelly Stamper because they're a little bit expensive, especially when you can order a whole bunch of like different plates, but I find I reach for their plates more than the other plates, so I don't know, but I'm 50-50 on that. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.